Wow, sick. That's sick, man. Keen to go left?
Yeah. Take it, go.
Yeah. Daijoubu desu ka? Yeah, is that what it says? Ooh. Beautiful.
Okay.
Nice. Wow.
What's the first step of curving?
Bend your knee.
How do you start?
Yeah.
Bend your knee?
Have to. So you know when you turn normally, your board's going from like you're like this
Yeah.
to all the way to the other way. Yeah. So say if this is that's 90 degrees. That's straight. That's 90 the other way. You want to be like going 45, no further than 45 degrees before you do your next turn. You're board in a straight line as opposed to coming all the way to heels and all the way to toes. You want to like reduce the range of motion.
Okay.
And then like when you initiate the turn like a normal turn, you start with your shoulders, and then it spins through your whole body. Whereas when you're carving, instead of spinning, you're like leaning off your heels and your toes. So it's not a spin.
So the board's staying straight up.
Which is why you don't want to go more than 45. Because
Push
you
off
can
one
do
edge.
like a shallow angle, but you hold it for like 3 seconds and you're doing a really big turn.
Wow.
Same with that way.
And you
then
can
it's
look
like,
behind and see a really thin narrow line.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
means you're on your edge
like
of the carving.
cutting through instead of like spreading the butter.
Yeah.
You know?
Right, yeah.
Helps to start on like a not too steep one, so you can go and point it in a straight line and you're not going to go too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then and it's cool because when you get that technique and you're on a cat track and you're slowing down, you can start carving to keep speed up.
Yeah.
Just like
That's what I did, because at the beginning I was told to just stay flat on the, but I just kind of just rock from edge to edge.
Yeah, that's safer.
Yeah.
Pick an
They
edge.
say,
Pick an edge, hey,
pick
yeah.
an edge or the mountain will pick one for you.
Yeah. Woo!
On the other side of Nagano, maybe?
Yeah. Yeah.
Not this one. Deep in there. Oh yeah. Ah.
That one on.
Mmm.
That is crazy because you think that just goes into, but it actually goes up.
Yeah.
This is amazing. This is amazing. Huh?
What it is? Biru.
Ooh. Oh shit. Zoom in. Fuck it out. For speed, eh? But I'm scared of it. It's such a hard landing.
Don't need much speed, otherwise you'll end up on the flat.
I'm gonna dip right here then. Cut through this. Ah. That was nice. Let's see. Try and get the speed. Hey, big dog.
Oi, oi.
I like that little hip on the end of the cat track there. Oop, into the run.
Yeah, you timed your pot really well on that one.
Yeah, it felt good, felt
Yeah.
crisp. Yeah. I like the hips. It's more like a hip really, so it's easier because it does half the turn for you.
Like those rollers, I think you could probably delay by like half a second.
Ah, yeah.
Pop a little bit later.
Yeah, all right, yeah.
Because you'll pop in like when you're still on the uphill.
Right.
Still enough run off that you're landing like on the down.
Yeah.
Even cut in earlier, come down this bit.
I was thinking about that. It is crossed off pretty intensely.
No.
It's not wide though.
You could cut through all of this, no? Cut through here, yeah, through all of it. Like,
Is that girl in which we ever seen me in a fucking first? She is. I thought she was just fallen over. Oh no.
That's upsetting. This is why they banned TikTok.
Yeah. Oh my god.
No.
What's the Angsters?
Huh?
What's the Angsters factory?
At the end, I'll still hit that same pop. Fucked up, man. Yeah. Actually, very blue. Yeah, we've been so lucky. It was meant to be cloudy all day. So lucky. She'll be up here all night.
Shit. I got PB.
No way.
6.6.
Holy shit.
Track 35 now.
Yeah. Nice.
And above the speed limit in a pedestrianised area.
Maybe.
You can have a good compilation of me like almost
Hell.
myself a lot of times. Even though you came into the netting at the top.
So close, bro. And I couldn't see your face, but I could see your face, you know what I mean? Thanks, guys. Thanks for today. Otsukere. 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 That was fun.
Fuck yeah.
Thanks, Sanosaka.